Here's your Shopify gift card complete tutorial. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set up your Shopify gift card and how you can issue a Shopify gift card. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't miss a single step. If you missed a single step, you won't be able to do it. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's just discuss what's a Shopify gift card. So a gift card is a special type of product. Its value is used as payment toward future orders from your online store. So the gift card, its feature is available on all Shopify subscription plans. So it's free, and you can just get it for your three-day trials too. So yeah, and a lot of people ask like what is a gift card used for. A gift card is used for for payments to make purchase from retail stores, gas stations, restaurants, or many other locations. So you can load money onto your card, and which the gift cards can spend at accepted locations. So yeah, I think that's pretty useful, and in this video I'm basically going to show you how you can get it. So first of all, in the step-by-step method, you just have to go to the products in the main dashboard. Just click on products, and as you can see in products, you get collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. So once you're here, just go to gift cards, and you'll see this. Start selling gift cards. So add a gift card product to sale or create gift cards, send them directly to your customers. So first of all, we're just gonna go and create a gift card. All right. So creating a gift card is as easy as this. So it's just a gift card code. You can set it up how you want. All right. And you can put up its initial value. So let's just say I want this gift card's initial value to be 5,000, and you just have to put a customer's name, last name, email, and phone number. After that, just put in some internal notes, and after that, it has its own expiration date. So in the expiration date, as you can see, it's telling us countries have different laws for gift card expiry dates, and check the laws for your country before changing the date. So if you're like creating a gift card and gift card details, so make sure that you check the laws of the country that everything has an expiration date. So you can either set an expiration date, as all can see, it goes up to 2028 and more, or you can just set no expiration date. So yeah, it's as easy as that, and you'll just go over there and get it. So let me just put it in. Let me try to put in the credentials first of all. I don't know about the phone number, guys. I'll put save. Alright. Now, internal notes. We're just gonna set it as a giveaway. And let's just say Facebook giveaway. Alright. And internal set. And let's just preview email. So as you can see, this is what our gift card is gonna look like. So that's the code of the gift card, and you can just press your own, and as you can see, it will be the preview when you get it on your email. So just press send gift card now, and press save. And a trial shop cannot assign a customer to gift card. So yeah, that's basically the problem, that I cannot do that because I'm in a trial shop. But if you don't have a trial shop, you'll be able to send it. So yeah, that's how you can create a gift card. Now create a gift card product is as easy as that. As all can see, you just have to put in the title. Let's just put in the title, and y'all can understand better. So let's say I'm just gonna put in title of PlayStation gift card. There we go. Now we're just gonna put in a paragraph. Let's copy a PlayStation gift card. So we're just gonna copy this and paste. All right, we got this. Now we can upload images. So we're just gonna get a PlayStation gift card image. This is what a normal PlayStation gift card looks like. We're just gonna download it. Alright, saved. Now I just put this image right over here. There we go. This is our gift card image. And when it comes to dominations, you just set dominations. Let's say our first domination starts from 3K, then 6K, then we go to 20K. All right, then last 40K. All right, now we can add more denominations, but we won't. So after doing all these, you have to put in your status, so you can actually put it in draft or active. And when it comes to publishing, you just have to put in if you want to put it on your online store or point of sale, and you can put it on international and your own country's market. So product organization, so you have to fill this out too. Product type, it's a gift card. All right, vendor, my store, collection, homepage. All right, tags, I'm just gonna put tags similar to it. All right, we just give it some these. Now a theme template, it's up to you what template you got, and gift card is just a normal gift card template. So after doing all these settings and you've done all that, you have put in the title and you got your publishing settings right, and make sure that your manage sales channel and both of these are selected, 2 of 2, and manage market. And as all can see, you have to manage your market also. But after doing all this and putting a nice description with a nice picture of your own gift card that describes the gift card, how it will be, after you can put in your own gift cards too, but I'm using this for an example. But after that, you have to set up denominations. The denomination can start from anywhere to $10 up to as much as you want. And this is your search engine and listing, as all can see. This will basically will look like. After doing all this, you just press save gift card product. All right. Once you've done that, there we go. Now our gift card is active. And as all can see, it's basically active, and you can just use this product however you want and however you can, whatever you can do with it. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can set up your Shopify gift card and issue it, and how you can create it. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. If you think I helped you guys out, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.